Are you struggling to create an interactive plot in Jupyter Notebook that updates with a slider? You're not alone. Today, we're going to solve this common issue together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you adjust a slider and instead of seeing a single updated plot, you end up with multiple overlapping ones. This is a common challenge for many users. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to create an interactive plot that updates in real time with a slider in Jupyter Notebook. They want to avoid generating new plots on top of each other. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's happening here? When you use the slider, the plot function is called multiple times, creating new plots instead of updating the existing one. We need to clear the previous plot before drawing the new one. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to enhance your interactive plotting skills even further. To achieve a single interactive plot that updates with the slider, the user should first clear the previous plot before drawing a new one. This can be done using the plt.clf function. Next, the user should modify the plot function to include this line. This ensures that each time the slider is adjusted, the previous plot is cleared before the new one is drawn. After updating the function, the user can run the interact command again. This will link the slider to the modified plot function. Finally, the user should test the interactive plot by moving the slider. They should see that the plot updates in real time without creating multiple figures. Fun fact: did you know that Jupyter Notebooks were originally developed for interactive computing in Python? They have come a long way since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user has suggested a workaround for the issue of multiple plots appearing when adjusting the slider. They recommend adding the line plt.show at the end of the plot function. This adjustment helps ensure that only one plot is displayed, updating as you change the slider. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using multiple sliders to control the parameters of the plot. They set default values and specify the range for each slider. This method allows for real-time updates to the plot as you adjust the sliders, ensuring only one figure is displayed at a time. Here's a pro tip. Always remember to clear your figures when creating interactive plots. This simple step can save you from a lot of confusion and clutter in your visualizations. And there you have it. Your interactive plot should now update seamlessly with the slider. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Jupyter Notebook effectively.